Meaning of dragnet.
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 Dragnet. Dragnet refers to an action, process, or method of catching criminals or illegal activities. The term can also be used to describe a system or network designed to gather information indiscriminately, often without proper authority or legal basis. When a dragnet is executed, those who fall within its scope are captured without regard for individual circumstances or innocence. The result of a dragnet can be successful in capturing a specific target or identifying wrongdoing, but it can also lead to violations of privacy and civil liberties if abused or used improperly.